cycle. So what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere is the part of the earth that what is existing on to the surface of the water. Water consists of the underground water, the water vapor in the air, glaciers, etc. Okay, in simple explanation, hydrosphere means water. And that is the sphere of the earth, includes all the waters under the earth, which is the water vapor in the air, glaciers or Iceland, water, the underground water, and etc. Okay, what is hydrosphere made up of? As all of us know, hydrosphere is made up of water. So hydro means water. Okay, my explanation is I want to talk about the importance of hydrosphere. The importance of hydrosphere is, as we all know, the survival of living organism without water is impossible. So life on Earth entirely depends on water. Hence, Earth is known as the water planet. Hydrosphere is vital. Hydrosphere plays a vital role in our lives. A few importance of hydrosphere as follows: the parts of living organism, evidence for many organisms, relates regulation and atmosphere existence. So all the space, the five space, Earth consists of all the five space, which is biosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. So those spheres, they interacted or they interconnected with each other to make the existence of life on Earth. So as you can see, this is the diagram of the hydrosphere. This diagram of the hydrosphere, we all know the diagram. And some examples of the diagrams are hydrosphere is the water and glaciers, Iceland, vapor water in the air. Just now I'm going to put a brief explanation. Like hydrosphere, approximately, hydrosphere it is made up of the it's kind of like 361,740 square kilometer. It means that entire head is surrounded with the water, which water comes from the vapor, water vapor in the air and the underground water, and the water flows from the mountain to the sea. Okay, as you can see, this one is the hydrological cycle. In other words, the water cycle of the hydrosphere. So we've got three steps or four aspects of the hydrological cycle. The first step is we've got evaporation. So evaporation is takes from stages to stages. So the first there is the extent of water from evaporation. Evaporation is turned from liquid to gas. Then it evaporated. It evaporated to the sun. When the rays of the sun hits the land or hits the water, it produces the steam. So when steam goes up into air, it forms the cloud. So it's the formation of the cloud is called the condensation. So that is the condensation. So when it forms the condensation there, then cloud release the water vapor in the air, go back to the ground. So that's called the precipitation. When rain comes down from the cloud to the earth, it calls the precipitation. So from precipitation, underground absorb the small quantity of water, which is the four aspect that I said. It's evaporation, condensation, transpiration, and seepage runoff. So seepage runoff is mean that when cloud release the rain and from the space to the ground, then ground absorb the little quantity of the water, and then the little quantity of the water make the land absorb or make the land moist to grow the trees. So we living organism can survive on that thing. So as I said in the beginning, like the five stages are interconnected. So yeah. So after the thing, after the evaporation, the precipitation, it goes in the ground and it forms the water ground, and then water ground it comes for the percolation. The percolation meaning the filter of the underground water. When underground water it release the water from the filtration, it's called the percolation. And then percolation again goes to transpiration. So that is the hydrological cycle of the hydrosphere. So as I want to I want to say that the hydrosphere is made up of only four steps or four aspects, which is a evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and surface runoff. The surface runoff is the underground water which produces the water down to the sea. That's all, and thank you for your ear. And any question, class?